Morning students. Last class we had done pseudo first order reaction. Related sum on the basis of pseudo first order reaction. One example is given, example number 4.9. Hydrolysis of methyl acetate. When react with water, it gives acid and alcohol. And liberated acid titrated against sodium hydroxide, and at different time concentrations of esters are given. These are the concentration of ester. CH3, COO, CH3. Show that this is pseudo first order reaction. Water concentration given 55.55 mole per liter and 55 only given. So 55 mole per liter is the concentration of water given. And we have to prove that it is pseudo first order. And what is the value of K dash? That also we have to determine. Now see, it is rate equals K dash concentration of ester CH3 COO CH3 into water. Now water concentration constant, so we take K dash into water as concentration K. So put this value K here. So rate equals K concentration of ester. Means with respect to ester, the order of reaction is 1. We can find the value of K. K will be 2.303 upon T log of R naught by R. हर इंडिविजुअल ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. कैलकुलेट करने के बाद देखेंगे अगर K वैल्यू सेम आता है तो इट इज फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. हर ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए अगर K सेम नहीं आता है तो इट्स नॉट फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. सो विल पुट वन बाय वन द वैल्यूज. K equals 2.303. This is initial. This is initial concentration. આની માટે ગોતી है. K equals 2.303 by T. T કેટલું છે? 30 minutes. Log. What is R naught? R naught is 0.85 divided by 0.8004. 30 minute ઉપર time. આને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીએ આપણે. log લઈને પછી સોલ્વ કરશો તો આન્સર પડશે 2.004 10 to the minus 3. 2.004 10 to the minus 3. Similarly, for second observation, it is 2.303 by times 60 log. It's 0.85 initial concentration. What is left? 0.7538. And if you solve this, then we have 2.002 into 10 to the minus 3. For third observation, if you find the value of K, it's 2.303 by 90. This time 90 minutes. Log initial concentration 0.85 and final concentration 0.7096. That is equal to, if we solve this, we have 2.005 10 to the power minus 3. 2.005 into 10 raised to power minus 3. We see that all the K values for different observations are same. If all the K values are same, we can say that it is first order reaction. So what is pseudo first order reactions? When rate depend only on the concentrations of ester, because water concentration constant. Same value of K indicates it is first order. Indicates reaction first order. Clear? अब हमको K dash का वैल्यू निकालना है. इसमें प्लेस कर देते हैं वैल्यू. K dash would be K upon concentration of water. K we had calculated. Average ले सको 2.004 10 to the power minus 3 divided by water की concentration 55. सॉल्व कर लो इसको. सॉल्व करके डिवाइड करोगे तो K dash का वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा 3.64 10 to the power minus 5. 3.64 10 to the power minus 5. और K का यूनिट होगा ऑर्डर 2 के हिसाब से. सो इट विल बी मोल minus 1 liter 1 minute inverse. This is the unit. Clear? और इसके लिए यूनिट क्या होगा? मिनट इनवर्स. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का है ना, इसलिए मिनट इनवर्स. ठीक है. So this way we can find out K dash value and we can prove that this reaction is pseudo first order reaction. If these questions will be asked in board exam, it will be of 4 mark. Okay. Now one more numerical is given in text question. Not about this pseudo first order, but it is of first order reaction. 4.5. A first order reaction has a rate constant K 1.15 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. How long will 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce to 3 gram? Initial concentration is 5 gram. Final concentration is 3 gram. We have to find the time in which this decrease takes place. Apply the formula of first order. 2.303 by T log R naught upon R. Put up all the values. Time निकालना है. 2.303 by K कितना? 1.15 10 to the power minus 3 log. What is initial? 5. Final is 3. So it would be 2.303 1.15 10 to the power minus 3 log would be 1.66. Take log of 16 at 6 and 6, then multiply it and solve. You will get the answer in second. Okay. Next question is 4.6. In text question 4.6. Time required to decompose at SO2Cl2 to half its initial amount is 60 minutes. Half life 60 minutes. It is given. It is first order reaction. If decomposition is first order, calculate rate constant. Rate constant matlab K. We know that for first order reaction, T half is 0.693 upon K. So K would be 0.693 upon T half. Put up the value 0.693. What is T half? 60 minutes. So if we solve this, we get the answer in minute inverse क्योंकि time minute में दिया हुआ है. Okay, so it would be 0.01155 minute inverse answer. This way we can solve the reaction, that is numericals based on first order reaction. Okay. One more numerical left for this gas phase reaction. We had derived rate constant for gas phase reaction. Example number 4.6. The following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of N2O5 gas at constant volume. This is the reaction given. 2N2O5, which is gas, decomposes to give 2N2O4, that is also gas, plus O2, gaseous state. Gas phase reaction. It is given that for time 0, total pressure is 0.5. Table बनाया हुआ है. 0 time, the total pressure is, time in second given, pressure is given 0.5. Total pressure 0.588. At 100 seconds, it is given total pressure 0.51288. Calculate the rate constant. K find करना है. We have to determine K. How to determine? Table बनाना पड़ेगा. This will decompose. Initially, when time is 0, only reactants will be there. And what is total pressure of 0 time given? 0.5. 0.5 will be the pressure of N2O5 only. Because ये दोनों तो 0 होंगे initially. Reaction હજી start થાય ત્યારે reactant જ હોય. એટલે જે total pressure હશે, that is the pressure of reactant N2O5. Now after time t, that is 100 seconds. After 100 seconds, this is the total pressure. We will find the partial pressures of different gases. This pressure would be 0.5 minus 2x. This pressure would be 2x and its pressure would be x. Suppose इसमें से x डिक्रीज होता है, कितना डिक्रीज होगा कोफिशिएंट के हिसाब से? 2x. ये कितना बनेगा? 2x. वो कितना प्रेशर होगा उसका? O2 का x. Now these are the partial pressures. Total pressure given at 100 seconds. So at 100 seconds, total pressure PT total pressure PT would be equals to partial pressure of N2O5 plus partial pressure of N2O4 plus partial pressure of O2. What is partial pressure of N2O5? 0.5 minus 2x. What for N2O4? 2x. What for oxygen? X. And total pressure is 0.512. See, 100 second पे total pressure. यहाँ से हमको x का value मिल जाएगा. What's the value of x? 0.012 atm. By putting this value x over here, we get the left pressure after 100 seconds. 0.5 minus 2 into 0.012. So it would be 0.5 minus 0.024. माइनस करो कितना मिलेगा? कितना मिलेगा? It would be 0.473 એટલે 7 4 એટલે 6 80. This is left pressure after 100 seconds. This is initial pressure at time 0 of N2O5. How to determine the value of K? We know that K is 2.303 by T log of initial pressure of N2O5 upon left pressure of N2O5. Initial pressure of N2O5, left pressure of N2O5. This is 2.303 time given 100 seconds. Log, what is initial pressure? 0.5. And what is left pressure? 0.476. And if you solve this, then you will have the answer. इसको solve करोगे log लेके और फिर तो आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. That is 4.98 10 to